Today we need to talk about f-string. If you're using Python 3.6 and high releases, then you must try f-string. It's fast, easy, and convenient. Before jumping into it, let's see how we were formatting strings this far. The first method is using the placeholders. You use %d for integers, %f for float values, %s for string values. How it works, let's just see right here. A percentage sign right after the quote, parenthesis, and provide the value of x, y, s. Let's just print this. There you go. Another way is to use format method. Let's just see quickly how this works. Print numbers are, here you put containers. Now containers is made up of curly braces. Right after the quote, you provide the format method, and inside the format method we give our variables x, y, s. Again, let's run it. There you go. Sometimes the arrangement of placeholders, containers inside the string formatting gets a little bit confusing. F-string is our savior. Let's just see how this works. You write print parenthesis, and before you start your double quotes, just right before that put a f like this. Now we write numbers are, and this time when you create a container using curly braces, just put the variable right here inside the container, which is x, and again container my variable y, and again container variable s. Let's just run this. There we go. Easy, simple, nice and clean. If you want to print the value of pi using certain precision, that's how you do it. Right, print f right here, sorry, val of pi is, now when you put a container, first the name of the variable, which is pi, followed by a colon, decimal point, 4, f. Let's just run this. Now here we get 6 instead of 5, 9, and the precision of 4 values after the decimal. Now for Python 3.8 and high releases, there's another cool thing I want to show you. Import math. Let's just take the value of a 0.45, write print quotes, f before the parenthesis, a container, you write math sign of a, and here I'm putting a equals to mark. Just see what happens right there. Just hold on and see what happens. The value of sign a is coming right after the equals to sign. You can use this to articulate the results. So this was f-string. Thank you and stay tuned.